Hey and welcome to Elevate Pass. I would just like to shoot this video to just give you a brief and a short welcome. My name is Rafael Sivila and I'm the CEO of Elevate Pass. We founded Elevate Pass with our business partners Yolanda Fru, Mark Ferdland and Kaya Shikora, as we're actually coming from the networking environment. We wanted to create a company from networkers to networkers and at the same time give anyone an access to a passive income in a really simple way. That's why I believe that within Elevate Pass, everyone can start as we're put the low entry from as little as $10 US, which I think is affordable to almost anyone. But on top of it, we also are developing tokenomics, our own token. We're also looking into other crypto options in the future. We also have our own Elevate Foundation, which every month will donate a percentage of our profits to different charities, as we really believe in giving back. This is just it. I just wanted to give you a short brief, welcome you in the group, and actually remind you to join all our social media and everything which is happening so you can actually stay up to date. I will record more videos like that so you'll know what exactly is happening in Elevate. We're actually right now in a pre-launch mode, and the pre-launch is happening at the beginning of August. So, this is an exciting time to be a part of the Elevate Pass and part of our journey. Well, I'm really happy and hopeful that you will be inside with us, and at the same time you will make your own passive income if it is the first one on another one, or diversify it and go with the journey with us. Thanks a lot, and well, see you inside.
In this video, I will show you how to register with Elevate Pass platform. Just first, ask the person who invited you to this business for a registration link. If you don't have someone like this, that's not a problem. Just simply go to elevatepass.net website, and in the right top corner, you will see a sign up button. By clicking it, it will take you to another page. First, put your details. So, my name is Kaya, surname Shikora. I will use a test email for you and create your password. You will also need to confirm your password. Accept our terms and conditions and click a sign up button. There is one more step. You need to go and log in into your email account and confirm it for us. It can take from 5 to 10 minutes to receive an email from our team. If after around 10 minutes you don't receive the email, please make sure you check your spam inbox. If you still don't see it, please make sure to write to our support and we'll be able to help you. After receiving our email, just click on it and you will see how you can confirm your email address. Just simply click the button and that's it. It's done. You are in and able to log in to your account. I hope this tutorial helped you to register with our business, and I wish you all the success. Take care.